Alright, so let's install the upgraded rotation stage in the Faxitron X-ray system. So first, there is that bottom lip I was talking about. It sort of reduces the overall height you have to work with while inserting the stage, but once it's inside, it can give you about a ½ inch extra vertical space. Now you'll notice on these plates there are little D-shaped cutouts in all four corners. This is so that the plates can slip in between the re-entrant joint on the door for the radiation shield and then the door frame. If you tried to put it in this way, it wouldn't fit. So this gives you a little extra diameter to work with. So that first slips in and just sits down in the bottom. Next, the frame will slide in. Now once that frame is in and this plate is down, it has enough room to move up again to be installed, to have those rods installed in those sockets. Alright, so that seems, so those all seem to be in bottomed out. So let's start moving down on those set screws. That'll lift the entire assembly up and start pressing those little rubber feet against the top of the cabinet. A little further in. Alright, getting there. Okay. So let's see. Getting close to the top there. Keys only put very slight pressure on the screws. You do not need a lot of force at all. You don't want to damage the cabinet or anything in it. So let's check. Clearance looks about right. Let's see. Looks pretty good. Just going to tighten that down gently. And those rubber feet on the top plate are now pressing against the top of the cabinet. And that is now secured in pretty nicely. It's the line from the stepper motor that will thread under here, and then it will just fit under. The electrical cable will just fit under that little channel, the radiation shield, and now the door will be able to close without cutting off that cable. The cable will then plug in to the stepper motor controller, and then that should be good to go for calibrating and aligning in the position of that spindle to center it on the midpoint of the frame and align it so it's not off at an angle.